east wind strikes again. The trees are blowing and everything is just up in the sky because of all the wind blowing. The trees are swaying. Boy, stop sign looks like it was about to fall over. There's some stuff up in the trees that's got stuck because of the wind. It's a big mess. So this stop sign up here, right, it's kind of hard to point at it right there, and this one probably too. They looked like they were about to fall over because they were like shaking around in the wind. Mostly that one. It's been, the wind isn't really that bad right now, but it's still just this stop sign shaking around that caught my attention, so I decided, well, I might as well make a video. So, as you can see, the trees are kind of blowing around, but it is a mess still. The wind is always a mess. But once we get even later into the winter, like mid-winter, the wind will start getting very bad. We're probably going to see some pretty crazy storms this winter. So